Hi everyone, this is Amir, your safety professional, and if you are planning for NEBOSH, I know exactly how your mind feels right now. Too many questions, too many confusions, and too many options. So today I will answer top 6 most asked questions regarding NEBOSH in a very simple way, very honest, no confusion. So let's start it. Question number 1, is NEBOSH IGC enough to get a job or do I need an experience? So this is the most common question. Let me be very clear, NEBOSH alone do not guarantee a job. But NEBOSH is a door opener. Just think of NEBOSH like a driving license. A driving license doesn't make you an expert driver, but without it, you cannot start driving. So most companies want NEBOSH plus some practical exposure. But do you know what good news is? You can gain an experience after starting NEBOSH. There is a site work, junior site safety roles, internship, on-job learning as well. So yes, NEBOSH IGC is enough to start your career. Experience builds you and NEBOSH opens the door for you. So question number 2 is, which NEBOSH should I choose? Either IGC, NEBOSH Diploma or NEBOSH NG, that is also known as national exam. So this question is very confusing for everyone, especially those who are just starting. So let me explain it in a very simple way. If you are a beginner, choose NEBOSH IGC. If you work only in UK, you should choose NG, that is National General Certificate. Most important, if you want to start as a senior role, manager, advisor, consultant, then go for NEBOSH Diploma. Most students watching this video should start IGC because most of you are beginners. Do not jump into the diploma just because the name sounds very big. This would be just like starting a university without finishing a school. So start smart and start with NEBOSH IGC. Question 3 is that, can I fail NEBOSH even if I submitted the open book exam on time? An important question. And the answer is yes, you can fail. Submitting on time does not mean passing. Students fail because of the copy-paste answer, writing theories without applying any practical knowledge, ignoring the command words, over-justification and blind use of AI, especially ChatGPT. So NEBOSH always check how you think, how you apply and how you explain it. Not how many pages you are writing, and NEBOSH want a safety professional, not a Wikipedia expert. Question number 4 is, how strict is NEBOSH marking? What do an examiner want? So let me be very honest, NEBOSH marking is strict but fair. Examiners look for a clear understanding, practical thinking, logical answers and realistic control. They do not want a fancy English, long stories or a copy-paste legislation. So they want hazards, risk, control, justification in a simple English and clear thinking. That's it, what they want. If you fulfill this, you will definitely pass NEBOSH. Question number 5 is about NEBOSH in different countries. A lot of students ask me, is NEBOSH valid in my country? The short answer, yes. NEBOSH is recognized in Middle East, Europe, UK, Asia, Africa. It is also very much applicable in the different fields like construction, oil and gas, data center, manufacturing. So almost in all fields of life, NEBOSH is acceptable. One thing is important to remember, NEBOSH gives you knowledge and competency. Local laws you will learn on the job. So do not worry, NEBOSH travel with you throughout your journey of a professional life. This question is for all my friends, especially from Pakistan and India, those who ask a lot of time to me that, can I pass NEBOSH if I am not expert in English? So let me answer this in a very honest way. You do not need a perfect English to pass NEBOSH. NEBOSH is not your English exam, but yes, you need a clear and basic English. Let me explain what good enough means. You do not need a big vocabulary, a fancy sentences or a grammar perfection. NEBOSH does not give you marks because of your beautiful English. NEBOSH gives you mark for your clear thinking. So very simple. If you can read the question, understand the scenario and explain your idea clearly, you will get a good mark. Simple sentences are always the best sentence. For example, instead of saying something complex, just say, this is risk of fall from height, the worker may fall and get injured, guardrails should be installed. This is enough. Now let me tell you where the students struggle. They struggle when they copy paste the answer, they memorize the text and use AI blindly because during the interview they cannot explain it. So here is my advice. Before NEBOSH, practice writing it in a simple English, read your answers aloud, explain your answers to yourself. If you can explain it to yourself in your own word, definitely you will pass. And one more important thing, during the NEBOSH interview, if English is not your first language, the interviewer already knows it. You are allowed to ask them to repeat the question, take a few seconds to think, and answer slowly. NEBOSH just want to understand, not a speed. So please do not fear of English. Focus on understanding the safety, thinking practically, and explaining clearly. That's all what NEBOSH wants. So guys, let's have a recap. So NEBOSH opens the door, experience builds a career. IGC is the best starting point. Open book exam does not mean an easy pass. Examiners test your thinking, not your memory. And yes, NEBOSH works globally. If you are serious about safety, NEBOSH is not just a certification. It can definitely change how you think. If this video helps you, so like it and share it with those friends who are preparing for NEBOSH. This is Amir and see you in the next video.